Welcome to Shanadry, your guide to flexible work. Hey everyone, welcome back, and if you're new here, thank you for joining. This is if you're between jobs, need quick cash, or just want work that fits your schedule, you're going to want to hear this. Today I'm breaking down 2 gig apps, Instawork and Shiftsmart. How to sign up, what kind of work you can do, how much you can get paid, and if it's worth your time. So let's get into it. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn your notifications on so you won't miss every time I post. Yo, it's Shanadry, Life by Sharon B. Let's go. From TikTok T to side hustle stacks, blowing up strong, yeah, I'm never looking back. Fitness, finesse, I'm keeping it lit. Social media queen, got the hustle and grit. Cashing in with reels, trying to win. Vibes stay real from the start to the end. Story times, wow. Come sip this tea. Subscribe, tune in. It's Shanadry. What is Instawork? Instawork is an app that connects you to flexible in-person shifts in places like restaurants, warehouses, hotel, events, and more. Think of it like picking up side hustle shifts without committing to a long-term job. How to sign up. So how you sign up for Instawork is you download the Instawork app, create a profile, upload your ID and job experiences, select the type of shift you're interested in. Some shifts may ask for a quick intro video or training. My experience, I've already worked one shift with Instawork and I've gotten another one lined up. It was smooth, clear directions, professional environment, and no drama. I really like having all the details up front. So, and how does Instawork pay? So Instawork, you get paid weekly. You work between Monday through Sunday and get paid on Wednesday. You have an Insta Pay option after your first 2 shifts. So after I do my shift this time, I'll be eligible for the Instant Pay. You can use Insta Pay to get 6% of your earnings immediately after your shift. There's a small 5% fee. The other 40% comes on your normal payday. So I feel like the pros of this is clear pay info, fast approval, lots of event and restaurant shifts, can lead to permanent jobs if they like you. And these are just some of the jobs that are showing on my Insta work because of my skills and what, the things I said the places I said I can work and my skill set. So I just kind of put, all work because I'm looking for all work. Like now, I'll pick up some shifts when I'm trying to make a little extra cash, and that's what I'm doing. And I'll take shifts that's $16. The least I'll take is $15. And these shifts come in handy, especially when you're in between jobs because it's instant. Once you're approved and you have the attire, so like I have a shift tomorrow at 5 a.m. and for my shift you had to show that you have the right work attire, which is where I'm going to be working is going to be a banquet server. And I had to have a black long sleeve shirt because you can't show any tattoos, and I have tattoos. A black long sleeve shirt, black slacks, a belt, and black non-slip shoes. So That's the attire for the job that I've taken tomorrow, but it was instant. I did a job like in February of this year, or no, last year, February of last year. And I just jumped right back on and was like, oh, let me see about, what kind of shift they have here. So that's Instawork. It is instant, but one thing to note, so Instawork, they're very keen on, showing up to your shifts, being punctual and on time, and not calling out last minute. It can get you kicked off the app. So if you're reliable, this is a great app for you. But if you're not, you do not want to get on this app because they will ban you. Like, they don't give like 2 and 3 chances, they will ban you. So I say if you're going to do shifts, Instawork, make sure that you can do that shift, because you don't want to get, where you pick a shift and you can't do it, then bam, you off the app. And this is a good app. They have 1099 work as well as W-2 work. I'm doing a W-2 job tomorrow, so where they're going to take the taxes. But they do have some jobs that are 1099. I haven't seen them, but they do advertise that they have them there if you want that option. So that's all the things I'm gonna state about Instawork right now. Then I'm gonna jump right on into Shiftsmart. Okay, so Shiftsmart is a little different. It offers remote and in-person gigs like phone surveys, mystery shopping, retail audits, customer service. So how you sign up for Shiftsmart, you download the app. It is an app. Fill out your profile. Choose the type of shifts you're interested in. Some roles need onboarding calls or short training. Once you're approved, you can start picking up shifts right in the app. So with Shiftsmart Pay, how they're paid, they get standard pay. You get paid weekly. Shifts complete by Sunday are paid the same week, but it can take 3 to 5 days to hit your account. They do have an instant pay option. You can cash out early for $1.99 fee, and you get to do this instant payout per day. So after your shift, you can cash out as long as you pay that fee. So the pros I feel of Shiftsmart are you can work from home. You can work from home if there's work available at home. It's great for part-time income, easy to get started. The cons are with Shiftsmart, they have fewer shift types in smaller towns. Some onboarding calls can take time. So here's the real deal. Instawork is perfect if you're looking for hands-on work and want to get paid weekly. It's great for picking up extra cash fast or trying new work environments. Shiftsmart is ideal if you prefer working from home or want more variety. It's less physical and great if you want part-time or flexible remote income. So my tip, try both. That way you're never dependent on just one app to get by. They're super flexible and you can stack them to keep your pockets full. That's what I do. That's my plan. I'm going to stack these apps. I'm going to do a shift tomorrow with Instawork, and then once I'm done, I'm going to go complete the orientation for Shiftsmart so I can start their shifts. So I'm going to stack both of these apps. Guys, I'm going to drop the link below. I do get a referral for both of these, so I will drop those links below for you so you can sign up. And once you're signed up, you also can refer your friends or family. They will give you a referral code. So again, I will drop the links to both of these apps in the description. I do think they're both worth it if you want to get started work fast and you're needing some extra money and you can't like commit right now. But like I said, they do have some permanent jobs as well. So guys, just stay tuned with me. I will drop more jobs, more side hustle, gig work, or making money from home. So guys, just check me out, and my next video, I'll let you know how that shift went tomorrow, that I will start at 5 a.m. I will try my best to see if I can get record the shift and get some content on that, and just let you guys see how it went for me, because honestly I haven't banquet served in a long time. So yes, so guys, I think these are both good apps, and if you're in between jobs, this is something you can get to with public transportation or Lyft or Uber, but yeah, check them out if you don't already know about them. If you do, leave me a comment. Let me know in the comments if you guys have ever heard of these apps, and what do you think of them, or if you haven't, what do you think of them? So let me know, guys. I am interested to know, and anything else that I can help you guys with, or any more information I get on side gigs or any tips, I will drop them. I will drop a video for you. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.